help me, please. This little puppy is hurt and needs help right now.
Hang on, little guy. I promise you everything is going to be okay.
Oh, goodness. That is my puppy, Sunny. What on earth did you do to him? Give him back to me right now, Tina. Why is he covered in dirty mud?
I did not hurt him, Mrs. Parker. I found him trapped inside the old drainage pipe.
He was stuck in the dark water. His leg was trapped under sharp metal. He was safe in my yard an hour ago. You took him away and broke his leg.
She was seen playing down by the creek earlier. Maybe she dropped him in the rocks.
Children should not wander near the drainage tunnel. This looks very reckless and irresponsible.
Why won't anyone listen to me? I went into the mud because he was screaming for help.
Buddy heard him first. Buddy showed me where the puppy fell into the drain. Stop making up wild excuses. Hand over my dog immediately before you harm him more.
Please do not pull him like that. If we move his paw roughly, he will scream in pain.
Look at him. He stopped moving. We don't have time to argue about this anymore. He is losing energy fast. Please, someone drive us to the animal hospital right now.
What is going on here? Everyone calm down and step back from my daughter.
Tina, take a deep breath. Tell me exactly what happened to this little puppy.
Dad, Sunny fell deep into the stormwater tunnel. I had to crawl through the mud to pull him out.
Daniel, look at my puppy's bleeding paw. Your daughter took him without permission and injured him.
Mrs. Parker, the priority is saving Sonny's life. We must get him to the emergency clinic immediately.
Get in the car right now, both of you. We are heading straight to the veterinary clinic.
Stay strong, little Sunny. The doctor will fix your paw very soon.
If anything happens to my puppy, I will hold you completely responsible for this tragedy.
We will be there in 3 minutes. Hold him steady and keep him warm, Tina.
We have arrived. Tina, carry him inside carefully and follow me to the reception desk.
Doctor, please help. This puppy was trapped in water and his leg is bleeding.
Bring him onto the examination table quickly. Let me check his heartbeat and breathing. His temperature is very low, and he is in mild shock from the cold water.
We need to clean this paw wound immediately to prevent severe infection from the mud.
Is he gonna be okay, Doctor? He was crying so loud in the pipe.
Look at that cut on his foot. That clearly came from someone pulling him too hard.
This is an incision caused by sharp, rusted metal, not by human hands pulling on him.
Rusted metal? How could he get a cut from rusted metal in our front yard?
There were particles of rusted corrugated iron inside the tissue, consistent with an underground drainage culvert.
I told you the truth, Mrs. Parker. He was stuck behind a broken metal grate in the dark tunnel.
My neighbor just sent me the security camera footage from across the street. Let us watch it.
Look at 8:15 this morning. Sunny wanders out through a gap in your side fence alone.
Sunny followed a butterfly into the tall grass near the storm drain all by himself. He slipped right down the concrete slope and fell directly into the underground drainage pipe.
Tina was just walking Buddy when she stopped because Buddy started barking at the ground.
She immediately realized an animal was crying for help beneath the storm drain opening.
Without hesitating for a single second, Tina crawled into that filthy water to save him.
Oh no, she went inside that dangerous, cold pipe all alone just to reach my baby.
She shielded Sonny with both hands and carried him straight up to the street for help.
Oh, Tina, I am so terribly sorry. You risked your own safety while I blamed you.
It is okay, Mrs. Parker. I know you were just really scared of losing your puppy.
Look, Sonny is waking up. His eyes are open and he is looking around the room.
The wound is disinfected and bandaged. He will make a full recovery in a few weeks.
You are a true hero, Tina. Thank you so much for saving my little Sonny's life.
I am so proud of your courage and compassion today, Tina. You did the right thing.
We are going to take you home now and keep you safe and warm, little boy.
Let us go back to our street and show everyone that Sonny is completely fine.
The neighbors are waiting outside to hear the news about the puppy.
Look, they are back from the animal clinic. Let us see what happened to Sonny. Listen, everyone, I made a huge mistake earlier. Tina did not hurt my puppy at all. Sonny escaped into the storm drain, and Tina crawled into the mud to save his life.
We should not have jumped to conclusions so quickly. Tina, please accept our sincere apologies.
Thank you, everyone. I am just really happy that Sonny is safe and healthy now.
Buddy deserves credit too. He was the one who heard Sonny crying under the street. Good boy, Buddy. You are both wonderful guardians for every animal in this neighborhood.
Come with me, Mrs. Parker. Let me show you where the broken grate is located. This is the old pipe where Sonny fell. The iron grate is sharp and broken.
I will call the city maintenance department this afternoon to install a safe cover immediately.
I was scared of the dark, but I knew Sonny needed someone to pull him out.
Let us go back to the porch and get Sonny settled into his cozy blanket.
Here you go, Sonny. Eat some food and rest your little paw all afternoon.
He is already feeling so much better. Look at how happily his tail is wagging.
Here is some warm cocoa for you, Tina. You must get out of those muddy clothes.
This cocoa is so delicious. Thank you so much, Mrs. Parker.
You taught all of us an important lesson today about standing strong when doing what is right.
It was hard when people did not believe me, but saving Sonny was all that mattered.
Whenever Sonny gets bigger, you are welcome to come over and play with him anytime.
Look at him yawning. He is ready for a long, peaceful nap after his big adventure.
The neighborhood is so calm now. Everything turned out fine in the end.
We are going to head home now, Mrs. Parker. See you tomorrow, little Sonny.
Goodbye, Tina. Thank you again from the bottom of my heart for saving my puppy.
Dad, I want to keep helping animals whenever they need help in our town.
You have a wonderful heart, Tina. Never lose that courage to protect helpless living creatures.
Doing the right thing is always worth it, even when you have to be brave alone.